Alright guys, I built a bunch of different ramps today. Some will allow me to get out inside the garage using that cool little truck that you see back there with FPV. And then, as you can see here today, I built these cool things too. So now that's all organized. And slowly and surely the whole thing will be cleaned up nicely. Here's another one of the ramps. And when you open up the door, there's one more. There we go. So yeah, there we are with this project, and we'll see how we can use that in a positive way to get some cool shots of stuff. And this is that famous lamp that's supposed to get rid of mosquitoes, but only runs on this kind of application. I tried mounting it on other sockets in the house and it just wouldn't work. So there you go.
Likey